This is our project for intermediate algebra. 4 of us in our group interviewed 60 people at the Arkansas Union. We asked them 6 questions. Question 1, we asked, what is your height? On this one, we found that the mean, median, and mode were exactly the same, which means that there's not a lot of variation in how tall the people were that we interviewed. The range was 5.3 to 5.5. That was a quantitative question. The second question was also quantitative. We asked people how many Arkansas t-shirts they own. This question, we found that the mean was 4.23 t-shirts, the median was 2.5, and the mode was 2.0. This was influenced, we think, by the place that we took the survey. And if we had taken it somewhere else, we would have found that people didn't own as many Arkansas t-shirts. It was also influenced by an outlier of a respondent who owned 50 t-shirts, which is why the mean is so much higher than the median. On the third question, this is a qualitative question. We asked, what state or country are you from? Because of where we took the survey, most of the respondents were from Arkansas. We did have outliers of people from Bolivia. Texas actually was the second most common response. Fourth question, this is a binary question. There's only 2 answers. We found that the majority of our 60 people, 60 respondents, preferred chocolate. We don't know how much of the majority, but more than 50%. Question 5 is a scale question. The scale is 1 to 5, 1 being disagree, 5 being strongly agree. The mean, question 5, we never landed on the moon. We found that the mean on this one, or the average, was 1.8 out of 5, meaning that people generally disagree with that statement. The median was the same. The median was 1.5. And the mode, the most common answer, was 1.0, meaning that people generally disagree with the statement that we never landed on the moon. There was at least one outlier, a 4, so there are people who do not believe that we landed on the moon. Question 6, also a scale question, same scale, 1 to 5, 1 strongly disagree, 5 strongly agree. The question is, iPhones are the best. On this we had a mean of 3.3, a median of 2.5, and a mode of 3.0. The mean means that people tend to agree with the statement more than they're over half the scale. The median is 2.5, which is right in the middle of the scale, and the mode, or the most common answer, was 3, meaning most people tend to agree with the statement. We did have some people who disagreed, though, because we've got at least one answer of 5. The range was 2 to 5.